Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can completely uninstall XAMPP from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, first of all, we need to go through our Windows search option and we need to search over here setting. So go to setting, then click on apps, then click on install apps. So here we need to look for XAMPP. So here you can see XAMPP app. So here on the right side, we'll see these three dot icons. So we need to click here and we need to click on uninstall, then click here uninstall again. So I'm going to say here yes, uninstall XAMPP and all of its module. Click on yes and click on yes again, and there you can see uninstalling XAMPP. So it will take a few seconds to uninstall XAMPP, and there you can see uninstallation complete. So we need to click here OK, and there you can see there is no XAMPP. So after that, we need to go to our folder and we need to go to our local disk C, and here in the local disk C you will see a XAMPP folder. So we need to delete this XAMPP folder from here. So it is saying XAMPP is open somewhere else. So let me just check. When you are uninstalling, it will open a command prompt of XAMPP. So we need to delete close this. So let me just try to delete this again. There you can see it is deleted. So this is how you can completely uninstall XAMPP and remove all the folder from your Windows. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.